Yo, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And in today's episode, I am going to unbox and review the Jordan 1 KO, something like that. But before that, I just want to update you guys. If you watched the previous episode, you saw that I got my second dose of the vaccine. So I got Sinovac, which is the Chinese vaccine that's available here in the Philippines. And I just wanted to share with you in terms of side effects. So this is like the day after. It was just really feeling extremely tired and I wanted to just sleep the whole day. That's the reason why I took a sick leave for yesterday when I got the shot and today, the day after. So other than that, I feel okay, especially when I started walking around, started to get the blood circulation. So I feel hopeful, happy, and excited. Excited for a better tomorrow, excited for, you know, life after this pandemic. Hopefully, we get to build that herd immunity here in the Philippines. We start to see the numbers go down and we can get back to living life better. Anyway, with that said, let's keep on going. Let's unbox some shoes, put them on feet, and I'll share with you guys what I think about them. Let's go. By the way, quick wristwatch check of the day. I am wearing the Seiko Gaara. So it's a collaboration with Naruto, the anime, and this is inspired by the character Gaara, the Kazekage. So if you guys want to know more about my watches, I have a dedicated watch channel linked down below, Carlos Watch Vlog. So let's get to the sneaker. The Jordan 1 AJKO. So AJKO, Air Jordan 1 KO1. There you have it. So comes in your orange box. By the way, shout out to Good Souls PH for the hookup on this one. Makoy, maraming salamat, brother. I appreciate you always. So let's pop the box open. We have the receipt over here. And then, ba-bam! This is it. This is the Air Jordan 1 KO. And as you can see, it definitely gives you the Jordan 1 Chicago vibes, which is the reason why I think this is selling higher than retail in the resale market. Not a lot. I think on StockX it's like $200, which is kind of okay considering how Jordan 1s usually shoot up much more higher than that. Now, big difference, if you take a look at the upper, it's not all leather. In fact, it uses some sort of like canvas material, as you can see over here. Comes with extra laces, white, red. Default is black. And apparently, the midsole is supposed to be different than your typical Jordan 1, which is what we'll do next. So what I'll do is I'll put it on feet, and then I'll share with you guys how I feel wearing the shoe. Okay, so I'll start with the good thing. So the good thing is that the padded collar is much more comfortable compared to your traditional Jordan 1. Apart from that, that's pretty much it. Because if you take a look at the cushioning, I don't think that and I need to verify this, but it's just not as comfortable as your typical Jordan 1. I'm not sure if they use a different midsole, if they reduce the air unit in the midsole on this one, or if there's no air unit at all. But the reality is, once you step on them and you compare it to the experience of using another Jordan 1, you will feel the difference. It's a bit firmer, it's a bit stiffer, and it doesn't get you that typical Jordan 1 feel when it comes to the shoe. In short, it's not as comfortable as the Jordan 1, which is already, I guess, kind of a bad thing because I don't find the Jordan 1 to be comfortable in the first place. So that's the issue here. So when it comes to style, 10 out of 10 as an easily super nice shoe. When it comes to comfort, maybe for me, 4 out of 10. So that's my quick review, my quick take on the Air Jordan 1 KO Chicago. So should you buy it? Well, if you got it for retail, good job. If you didn't get it for retail, maybe wait a little bit for the prices to go down, because I feel that it will, because it's, maybe I'm wrong, maybe I'm not, but honestly, I just don't find it to be as comfortable as I would want it to be for my shoes. Hey guys, so I'm literally shooting this the day after the last shot. So yung last shot ko, you saw me reviewing the Jordan 1 KO. And it's kind of apt that it's called the KO. Diba I mentioned I had the second shot of the vaccine? Because after shooting that scene of me reviewing the Jordan 1 KO, sumipa na naman yung pagod. Siguro because of the side effects. And I was out the whole day. So this is literally the day after, 2 days after na yata the shot, no? Grabe, sobra. So siguro yun talaga yung side effect niya. I know it's different for people, but for me, it's really just being so tired. Now, I'm starting to feel better. Hopefully, throughout the day, hindi na siya maging issue and talagang medyo back to 100% na tayo. Pero grabe talaga. After shooting that, higa sa kama, pagbukas ng mata ko, wala na, gabi na. So, Wild. Anyway, at this point in the vlog, meron lang ako sasagutin kasi some of you keep asking me about this mask that I wear. So I show it on Instagram and people have been asking about it. So this is the collaboration between Erinium, which is the mask brand, and Human Made, of course, by Nigo. Now, unfortunately, this is sold out, but this is a super comfortable mask and I love wearing it. So to those who want to buy like an Erinium mask, you can actually get here in the Philippines. So I actually have two of their other products over here. This is the Erinium Urban Air Mask 2.0. It's developed in Sweden, designed in Sweden. And we have here their Light Air Mask. So yan. So pwede nyo actually tingnan sa Urbanite PH, their Instagram account. They sell it here in the Philippines. And I super love their masks. They're super comfortable. They give you great protection. It looks like may valve siya, pero that's fully sealed. That's more aesthetic than anything else. So it really does give you proper protection in this current situation that we're in. So again, this is the Human Made collaboration. I don't think you can ever find like one of these for a good price, but you can get their other versions over here. Again, this is the Light Air. This is the Urban Air 2.0. So what do you guys think of the Jordan 1 KO? Let me know in the comment section down below. Would love to hear from you if you guys are considering buying it. Is it something that you guys would want to add to your collection? Hit the comments as much as possible. Again, I'll try to reply to as many of you as possible. Now, before we end the vlog, I just want to comment on one thing regarding the vaccines. So there's this issue right now in the Philippines that the government is saying that the brand of the vaccines shouldn't be announced to people. So you go basically, I think it will only be announced yata while you're at the vaccination center. So, how do I feel about that? Because some of you have been asking me on Twitter and on Instagram. If you ask me, my default answer is the best vaccine is the vaccine that you can get ASAP. Kasi nga, it gives you protection if ever you do get COVID. At least yung severe symptoms won't be as bad, no? Or you'll be protected against severe symptoms. Now, having said that, I feel that still giving people a choice is like kind of like a fundamental human right. So I don't think that should be taken away. I mean, good intentions to make sure everybody is vaccinated, but it shouldn't be, if you want to increase vaccine confidence, it shouldn't be at the expense of the freedom of people. That's how I think. So instead of, you know, clamping down and making sure people don't have a choice, maybe proper education, proper promotion, proper, I don't know, like there has to be another way of doing it. So apart from the efficacy, which I think is a discussion I won't even get to because I'm not a medical expert, the part wherein some vaccines, some countries have already said that they will only honor certain brands of vaccines if you want to travel. Later on, sabihin natin the world is better. I don't think that most of the China vaccines are on that list. So granted, alam ko, I read somewhere that the EU is already researching Sinovac. There's still no definite timeline. There's still no definite answer if it will be included. Ako, I'm hoping kasi that's the vaccine that I got, eh, di ba? So, pero I honestly think that if the science works out, there shouldn't be discrimination when it comes to the vaccine that you got and preventing you from doing what it is that you want to do, especially if the world starts to become normal again. Wala lang, yun lang. Those are just my two thoughts. Let me know what you guys think also in the comment section. Again, this is not political. I'm not bashing. I'm not defending. It's just me sharing my thoughts on the topic. Kasi feeling ko, well, a lot of you have been asking. So at least I'm sharing with you guys my thoughts. So anyway, that's actually it for today's vlog. So KO na ulit tayo kasi grabe, nakapagod talaga. As usual, this is Carlos signing out. Peace, God bless, what's up, boom.